Hello you lovely people, how are you all doing? I'm Ishna and I welcome you back to my channel. From the title you're aware that I'm going to review 3 of the body mists from Bath & Body Works. I've recently got these from a Nykaa haul. I will definitely link that up right here so that you can check it out. There was a nice haul where I got a different variety of products and these were definitely from that. I have tested these and now I'm back with my full-blown review. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now let's delve into the video to find out what I think about these fragrances, shall we? Now, the Nykaa haul that I'm talking about when I talk about these fragrances were part of Nykaa's Pink Friday sale haul, and I will definitely link that up here. These fragrances I got at great discounts. I don't remember the prices now, but you can check that video to find out everything about the pricing. I will talk about these fragrances just from the scent perspective. You will get the entire fragrance review in this video. So coming back to the fragrance mist, we all know Bath & Body Works fragrance mists don't last at all, right? Now these are ones that actually last well on my skin. But there might be a constraint here. All these fragrances, and I'm going to talk about these festive variants actually. So I am wearing these in the month of December and January and or to February. So basically winters. So we are not sweating a lot. That might be one of the reasons that these last good. But need to check these in the summers to actually confirm about the lasting power of these. But yeah, from the initial idea of Bath & Body Works products, I mean the mist not lasting well, this tend to last quite well on my skin. And yes, keep in mind these are all body mists, so I go with a lot of spritzes. They are not only essentially focused on the pulse points like in the case of EDTs and EDPs, where I focus mainly on the pulse points and that's it. These on the other hand, I spray all over wherever I feel like. Please keep in mind these are all colored ones, so don't spray it on your clothes if you're wearing white or light shade clothes, because the color will stain your clothes a bit. It will go off, but for some time that color will stay on your clothes, which will look bad, like a red blotch on your kurti, a white or a yellow or a light blue kurti. It will not look nice. So be careful when you're using these on that ground. The packaging is very beautiful. I cannot rave enough about the packaging, because that was the initial thing that attracted me to this entire set, was the packaging itself. So if you look at this is Winter Candy Apple, and this is the 88 ml version, the smaller variant actually. And just look at the packaging. It's all festive, it's Christmassy. I know Christmas has gone, and that is exactly the time I purchased this and I tried this, and I love this one a lot. I mean, this one, I'll give it a spray. The spray is not consistent. This is one issue that I think I have. I have to really press it hard to get the spray. Oh my god. This is beautiful, but a strong disclaimer, this might smell like cough syrup to a lot of people, because the initial spray is too sweet, too much like a cough syrup, which is true. So if you can't stand that smell at all, please don't reach out for this one, because it will give you a headache and an irritation from the fact that it smells like cough syrup. But definitely from the first spritz, it smells like cough syrup, and slowly it moves towards the sweeter part. I mean, I love it. I don't care about the cough syrupy element in this. I love this one, and I can't explain how much I have used. If I topple it down, you might be able to see the top part is so empty. Here it doesn't show much, but I love spritzing it all over, and this lasts fairly for 4 hours on my skin minimum. It might last more because I go with a lot of spritzes in this case. It stains the clothes for a few minutes. I told you that before, so be careful on that in case you want to purchase. So of course there is the cough syrupy element, but if you can overcome that, This smells beautiful like rose petals, red apples and fresh cinnamon. It has a spiciness to it, a glamorous, gorgeous scent it is. I simply love it. Please excuse the construction work and the sounds and of the society that is going on in the background. I can't help it. So please ignore that. But it's a fabulous smell from my perspective. This is essentially from the packaging to the scent. Totally, it shouts Christmas. I won't be using this up at all. I will use this some part and I'll keep it because I'm going to use it in the next December during the Christmas, because this shouts Christmas from the packaging to the scent, everything, and I love that. Why so? Because for me it was love at first sniff. Moving on to the next one. This is also called Winter Candy Apple. So the name for both of these are same. The difference is this is red apple based and this is green apple based. So this has got a bit more spark in it, which the other one doesn't have. The other one is just plain sweet fruity. This one is of course sweet fruity, but the spray is very fine. Of course, this is green apples, so it's sweeter, not sweeter, it's sweet, it's gourmandish, it's different. You get the hint of cinnamon here as well. The difference probably is in the apple, because this is a green apple, so the sweet element is lesser than this one. So, and of course this doesn't give you the cough syrupy vibe at all. So over this I will recommend this one, because this is for everybody. Even people with sensitive noses will enjoy this one, which if you get irked by the cough syrupy scent, you won't enjoy this one, but this one definitely you will enjoy. This is more sophisticated than this one, and I can vouch for this one to be a better alternative than this one, of course. And I love this one slightly more. Look at the packaging, it's also festive with all the condiments on both all over the bottle. It's very pretty scent. This is a safer buy when it comes to this one. I recommend this more over this one, although this this shouts Christmas. This shouts Christmas as well, in a sophisticated and a subtle way, and this in a loud baby-like way. So yeah, it's like I'm Christmas, look at me, that feeling with this one. I love both of them. Oh, I forgot to talk about the pricing. This 88 ml actually retails for rupees 699 as per the sticker, but I believe on Nykaa I got it at something around 595. I don't remember. Please check that Nykaa's haul video. You will get the pricing there. As per the sticker here, this one retails for 1499, but Nykaa sells it at 1295 as far as I remember. And I got it at furthermore discount, or there was a buy two get one, or a buy one get one, something like that offer going on. Now these are called Fine Brune Perfume, and this is just Brune perfume. So yeah, maybe that is what Brune is bright, I believe, I'm not sure, but this is a finer fragrance mist compared to this one. That's why it's softer, more subtle, and this one is sweet, strong, not as much sophisticated as this one. So I definitely prefer this one than that one, and definitely I'll recommend this more over this one, because yeah, of the cough syrupy thing, I enjoy it, you might not. Moving to the last one, this is the Merry Cherry Cheer. This is a beautiful purple variant. Just look at the entire packaging. I mean, the packaging is to die for this entire range, the entire festive range. The sprays are all very good. I hope the camera has picked that up. This is so different from the other two that I have smelled, and I love this one. This is sweet, and it has a musk, but it feels like a sugared musk. Like the musk itself is dipped in a sugar bowl, wrapped up and then delivered. It has got pomegranates in it. That is why it's very fruity. It's delicate. This is very classy. It's festive, Christmassy as well. All of these shout Christmas. and definitely they are winter scents. Don't try to wear this in summers. Gourmandish fruity smells tend to work better in winters, I believe, because that is when your body is not emitting a lot of sweat, and that is why the fragrances last longer and they smell better. In summers these will wear out very soon, I believe. I will have to test it in summer and then only I can confirm that. This is a 236 ml like this one. This one is also a 236 ml or 8 fluid ounce, and the mark price for this is rupees 1499 as per the sticker right here, but Nykaa sells it at rupees 1295. If I'm not wrong, it's 1295 in Nykaa, and I love the packaging. As the name suggests, Merry Cherry Cheer, it has got cherries and it's sweet. It has got maraschino cherry or something that was there written on the website, and pomegranate cider and sugared musk, and of course that is what makes this entire concoction worth swooning for. Even if you don't want to reach out for the red winter candy apple, try this one and this one. These are just awesome fragrances. I don't think they will last long in summers, but in winters they just last pretty long, 4 hours each. This wears off at least something around 3.5 hours soon, because this is finer, softer and subtle, but these two last like 4 hours or 5 hours on your skin quite easily, and they are amazing. So yes, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope this review of the Bath & Body Works fragrance mist, the festive edition, the Christmas version, was fun for you to watch. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section if you have purchased any of these during the Christmas and the festive winter season that we just crossed in December. And before you leave, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.